Hey everyone, what's up? It's Sysadmin Sean here again with even more Sysadmin news. Now, this one you might think off the top of your head that it is not Sysadmin related, but let me tell you, when you get down into it, it is a little bit Sysadmin related. So, The Verge released an article yesterday at 7 in the morning that Microsoft wants to move Windows fully to the cloud. So, an internal presentation reveals the company's long-term goal for Windows. Now, the gist of this is they want to be able to let you have a device, log into the Windows 11 in the cloud essentially, and just access your desktop from any device, laptop, cell phone, tablet, whatever. There are already quite a few companies that are doing a similar thing. VMware has both Horizon in the cloud and VMware Workspace ONE. I know Google Chromebook, obviously that kind of is a cloud only device essentially. And I'm sure Amazon is also working on something, but I don't know of it off the top of my head. But basically Microsoft is trying to move into this same situation of letting you have your device anywhere in the world so you can do your work anywhere in the world, which is a really cool concept in general. There's a lot of people that work at a stationary desktop all day long, and then maybe they need to go home and do some work, but they don't have a laptop, so they can't really bring their own work home with them, even though that's a whole work-life balance thing, and I don't think they should. But maybe they need to work remote. This would give everyone the ability to work remote without actually having to own a computer to take with them. They wouldn't need a laptop and a desktop. They wouldn't need all of this. They would just connect in, boom, Windows 11 to cloud. Amazing. Windows has already been working on some of this. We've deployed InTune essentially, which isn't really cloud computing, but what's really cool is, say we have a user who works remote, we can ship them a computer, a laptop, anything, say plug it into the internet, turn it on, and it'll ask you for login info. Put in your login info for our company, and it will download our image, reinstall the computer, and set it all up for you. And then of course, once we have them in proper Active Directory groups, it'll grab the right software and things like that, or whatever they're calling them in Intune. I'm not big into that. So you might be saying, why is this a sysadmin issue? This is desktop. Sysadmins don't do desktops. Well, that's not entirely true. A lot of times sysadmins do work in desktops, and a lot of times even more, sysadmins have to deal with cloud related resources and get blamed for when they're down, or at least have to deal with explaining the outage to them. So for example, this past week alone, both Outlook for the web and Teams for the web have been down for users. They haven't been able to log in. It's been spotty, so some users get in and some users don't. So they put in a ticket and they say, hey, something's wrong. Help desk has no idea what's going on, because usually they don't get updates from Microsoft. They kick it to the sysadmin team, the email team, the Office 365 team, and they have to deal with it. So that's what's happening there. That's what's going to happen for this. Someone is going to have all of their work on this Windows 11 in the cloud PC, and the cloud's going to be down for Microsoft. Hooray! Now they're going to say that their work's being left out and it's IT's fault because they didn't fix Microsoft fast enough. So that's how it kind of ties into sysadmin. But again, I'm working on the other videos. Big thanks for checking this video out. I know these have been coming bang, 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 but you got to strike when the iron's hot. But stay tuned. And like I said, we will have the video about what it is to be a sysadmin, what skills are required, what it takes, how to get into the field, etc., etc. That is coming. That is being worked on. I just wanted to knock this one out real quick and get it out to y'all so we can discuss what you all think about Windows 11 in the cloud, Windows in the cloud. Have you used Horizon in the cloud? Have you used VMware Workspace ONE? If you don't know what those things are, let me know, and we'll have videos about them too. So that's it, and we'll see you in the next one.